Hello students. Today I am solving one more problem on reduction, block diagram reduction. Such type of problems normally appear in the examination. Here in this problem, you observe there is more number of takeoff points are there like this, and there are three summing points. Now here this is the common point feedback. One is unity feedback, another one is having a impulse as h2. Now in this case we have to apply first the rule number 8 or 7, where I am splitting the summing point into two. I splitted summing point into two. Now what happens when I split summing point? This feedback signal I can reduce it into a single block, that is its gain is G2, and here the it is negative, that's why 1 plus G2 into H2. The remaining I write as it is here in this G2 signal and G1, and this is summing point and one more summing point here. While writing, you concentrate about the plus minus signs, and here this is feedback with H1, here it is minus, negative feedback it is. Now this is forward path and having a gain G4, and it is connected to this summing point having sign of positive. This is the output, and still unity feedback is given like this. Now we have to observe the reduced block here. In this case there are two situations appear. This is one takeoff point. It is possible I have to take this takeoff point ahead of G2 gain. Then what happens? It becomes G4 by G2. And that is one type of solution. Still, it is possible to take this takeoff point before this G2. Then what happens? This gain is multiplied with this H1. In the previous problem, I have taken this takeoff point ahead of this gain block. Now I am taking this takeoff point behind this gain block. Then what happens? This gain is multiplied with this feedback signal. I just rewrite. I am just rewriting this. I am shifting this takeoff point before this G2. Then what happens? This is my G1 gain, and here it is G2. Now what I am doing? I am shifting from here to this point to my takeoff, and then what happens? This H1 is multiplied with the gain G2, and this is my summing point here. This is minus, this is plus, and here this is G4, and this is the summing point, and here this is G2 divided by 1 plus G2 into H2. This is the C, and now remaining is unity feedback signal with negative feedback it is. This is negative, and remaining as it is plus. Now you observe here, in this you are having the parallel two gains, G4 and G4 and G2, that you have to add this signal gains, and here you are having this one as a negative feedback with the gain G1 and the feedback signals is H1 G2. Then this block, when I reduce, it becomes like this: G1 divided by 1 plus H1 G2 into G1, and this block becomes what? G4 plus G2, and remaining is this block, that is nothing but G2 divided by 1 plus G2 into H2, and unity feedback signal as it is like this. Now these three are in cascade. Rule number 1, you just follow rule number 1. Then what happens? This is reduced to one block. This is to be reduced to one block, and it is multiplied like this: G1 into of G4 G2 into G2. That is, I am writing here G1 G2 into of G2 plus G4 whole divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1 into of 1 plus G2 H2, and having the feedback, unity feedback. This is negative, and here it is positive, R and C. Now this unity feedback I am written directly here. This is C of S by R of S. This is one form. This is M is the gain, and its feedback unity, that's why 1 plus M into 1. Now the M is nothing but what? This entire term inside this single block, and that I have written here, that is 1 plus and this solution. After solving this, what happens? You have to multiply, cross multiply, and then denominator will cancel. I write it directly. That becomes G1 G3 into of G2 plus G4 whole divided by this 1 plus G1 H1 G2 and 1 plus G3 H2, then this signal plus G1 G3 into of G2 plus G4. This is the transfer function C by R of the given block diagram. Thank you.